Bonjour and welcome to the French for Beginners class. My name is Julie and I will be your teacher. Learning a foreign language can take time and dedication. Reasons to do so might be practical, aspirational, intellectual, or even sentimental. You might want to learn another language in order to communicate with people who speak it, whether it is in your community or abroad. You might even want to learn a new language to communicate with the person you are in love with. Learning a new language will allow you to go in a foreign country and your experience will be greatly enhanced in communication and friendliness if you speak the language. You might also want to learn another language in order to boost your career. Indeed, speaking one or two foreign languages is a great opportunity. Remember, schools and employers tend to prefer candidates who speak more than one foreign language. Whatever your reasons, having a clear idea of why you are learning a new language is key in your motivation. Don't forget this. Being fluent in another language represents opportunities, and it represents as well aspirational, practical, and intellectual benefits. In today's world, there are about 7,000 languages. Obviously, it has been proven that it is easier for children to learn. Of course, it's never too late. So whatever your age, being bilingual or even trilingual is a big advantage in today's global society. So, are you ready? C'est parti!